Hey guys, I just wanted to say I know I got spots in my hair and I know it needs to be fixed, so I was just letting you know that I know that you know that I know what you see. Look, I'm aware of it, guys. Today we are doing an Easter look. I wanted to do some pastel colors, but I wanted the pastel colors to be bright, and I got two really great products to do that with. I got two eyeshadow palettes that have the most beautiful pastels and bright colors in them, and it just made the perfect eye look. Now, the first one is by Xno Cosmetics. Now, this is the Luv Ur Selfie palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It does have a mirror, and it bends back, which I absolutely love when they bend back because it's so much easier to just work with. One of mine is actually broke, but I don't mind that at all. All I got to do is get some alcohol and pack it down, and it's good as new. They have got the most beautiful shades in here. I will show you some swatches of this palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. If you want to check out any of her palettes on Xno Cosmetics, the discount code is SelfTaught Beauty 20. That'll get you 20% off of anything in store online. The next one that I used is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. Now this one, again, it just gorgeous brights in it. I absolutely love it. I love the pastels in the other ones. Now I did just use a couple of the shades in this palette. I will also show you swatches of this one. Now, this is a voiceover because I have been kind of busy and the animals are always knocking over the camera anyways. So this is going to be a voiceover, but if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, are you ready? Now again, this is the Xno palette and this is the Bright Lights palette. I used a couple of shades in the Bright Lights palette and most of it was done with the Xno palette because it's just got the most beautiful pastel shades in it. Now first I used the yellow for a transition shade. I wanted something bright and I wanted pastels to pop, so I really wanted it to look really Eastery. And I forgot to mention it, but I will put it somewhere in this video that this is not a sponsored video, but this palette was given to me. She actually sent me this for Christmas, so it was a gift from her, but I absolutely love it and it's just an all-around gorgeous palette. Now I went into the Xno palette to use this light pink shade to mix in with the yellow just to give it a pop of color. It turns out so beautiful. I love it. Now, this is a darker pink shade that is in the Bright Lights palette. I wanted to add it to the light pink, mainly just to darken up that crease a little bit. I wanted some kind of a dimension with it. And, you know, all of this is mainly just blending. You know, that is the biggest detail of any eye look is blending. Now, I did go in with a smaller brush so I could kind of define the line a little bit more. And then I went into this shade. Now, this is a very beautiful, like a fuchsia shade, and I figured I would darken up those pinks and again darken up that crease, and it just looks so beautiful together. And I am so surprised that it all didn't cloud up to look like one junky color. It just turned out beautiful. Now, of course, you could take any kind of concealer or whatever you want to do, and you don't even have to do this part if you don't want to. And all I did was just cut my crease, and I did cut it all the way across, because I was going to put a couple of different colors on the lid. Now, this is an orange matte shade, so you don't even really need the concealer underneath of it. But this is a very beautiful orange shade, and I wanted to put this on the inner third part of my lid. I wanted to use every color in the palette, but I couldn't. And of course, I'm going to take this green right here and use on the outer V, or actually the outer third of the eye. But really, guys, this palette is just gorgeous. I wanted to use all the colors in both these palettes. I mean, I just love them, and it is really out of my comfort zone. I mean, you know, this is not an everyday look, but it is a fun look. You know, it's something different. I did enjoy it. And right here, I'm just blending the orange and the green together in the middle. That way, you know, it don't look like it's a straight line going down in the middle. Now, I did take this light pink shimmer shade and use for my brow bone highlight. And I also use it for the inner corner highlight at the end, which you'll see in just a minute. And then, yes, I did do a small wing. I didn't want to go too out there with it because I do have hooded eyes, and the longer the wing, the worse it looks and the bigger it ends up getting. And, you know, I just can't quit whenever I do start a wing. And I think it really makes the black pop. Now, I love this liner. It's just it turns out to be a matte black, which I like. I don't really like the shiny black liners. And this is where we take the tape off, and it just gives you that clean cut. To take this blue on the lower lash line, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, but I don't mind shimmer on the lower lash line. I really do think it looks really good. Now, here is where I go in with that light pink shade again to go on the inner corner of my eye, and it really highlights. It really pops. I loved it. And matter of fact, I would use this for any other eye look also, because it's not too pink and it's just gorgeous. And this is just where I am lining the inner line, upper and lower, and I want to take a black and just do it with the black because I like to go in the inner corner and kind of pull it out like I'm doing right now, just to elongate my eyes. Like I said, I've got hooded eyes, so I forgot what eyeliner this is, but I will put it up here somewhere. It is a very light baby blue color, and it matches the lower lash line shade. So I decided to add that like with the lower lash line shade just to give it a little bit more oomph. And of course, we curl our lashes and the mascara. Now, I didn't add any lashes, any falsies, but you can if you want, or you could just leave them alone and use mascara. I find it to be just a little bit faster. And that is the end of this video, guys. This is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It is a very bright colored look, but I love that they are bright pastels. I absolutely love it for Easter. Now, of course, you're not going to wear something like this every day. It's not an everyday natural wear. But it is fun if you're going to an Easter party, or you're going to hunt eggs, or if you're just sitting around the house like I'm doing. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just sitting around the house. So it is a really fun look, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, again, guys, I did use the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. Absolutely gorgeous if you haven't tried that. And the Xno Cosmetics Luv Ur Selfie palette. Now, this was so easy to work with. It's got such beautiful colors in it. Do so many looks. There are so many shades in this. It's just gorgeous. And again, if you want to check anything out at Xno Cosmetics online, if you want to check anything out, if you buy anything, use my code SelfTaughTBeauty20 at checkout for 20% off. It is definitely worth it. She has got some gorgeous products out. So, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous bright. Absolutely love it. Just gorgeous. Absolutely love it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. And again, gorgeous products. Ugh. The shades out of this palette, it has got some very, oh god, but this palette, but I'm not going anywhere.